Hey everyone! Every tip I'm about to give has been tested by professionals here in the shop, so don't worry, this can be fixed. If your car suddenly shows the message engine malfunction reduced power, don't panic, but don't ignore it either. Basically, your engine is saying, hey, something's not right, so I'm going to take it easy to avoid damage. This is known as limp mode, and what it does is limit power to protect the engine and transmission from further harm. The first thing to understand is that this warning can appear for many different reasons. Some mechanics see it when a sensor starts failing, others see it due to intermittent electrical problems, or even a weak battery. Mechanics here say the message can pop up while going uphill, overtaking, or even for no apparent reason. It's like your car has a sixth sense for self-protection. One of the most common culprits is the accelerator pedal sensor, also called the throttle position sensor, TPS. Since many modern cars don't have a direct mechanical connection between pedal and engine, if this sensor fails or sends strange signals, the engine computer automatically limits power. Several owners confirmed that replacing this sensor made the warning disappear completely. Another frequent issue is the air and fuel system, including the mass airflow sensor, MAF, and fuel mixture. If the engine receives incorrect data about how much air is coming in, the ECU limits power to prevent engine problems. Forum users reported that cleaning or replacing the MAF solved the issue in several cases. It's also important to check the battery and electrical connections. A weak battery or corroded terminals can make sensors send erratic signals, and the engine computer interprets this as a problem, triggering limp mode. Some mechanics confirmed that replacing the battery or cleaning the connections was enough to make the message go away. If you have a turbo engine, another classic cause discussed in forums is a boost leak. Turbo or intercooler hoses can have leaks, and when the ECU detects that the expected pressure isn't maintained, it automatically reduces power to protect the engine. Finally, some mechanics note that the message can temporarily disappear by turning the car off and on, or even disconnecting the battery for a few minutes. This works as a quick reset, but if the real problem, damaged sensor, leak, unstable voltage, remains, the message will come back sooner or later.